Hey, boys and girls, it's time to do some math. We're on lesson 15, session 4 on page 345 in your math books. We're refining, that's that yellow word, means making a 10 to subtract. So we're going to just keep working on that and doing what the book says, which is breaking down the number that you're subtracting so that it's easier to jump and pit stopping on the number 10. Because we know 10 plus 1 is 11, 10 plus 2 is 12, 10 plus 3 is 13. So the opposite is the case. If you have 13 minus 3, it's 10, like a fact family. 12 minus 2 is 10. That's the other half of that fact family. So on page 345, it says apply it, and you're going to do number 1, which is 14 minus 9. Now, what I had taught you before was to do 10 and 4, because 4 jumps back from 14 will get you to 10. So then if we're taking 4 here, what's the other one there? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. So 10 plus 4 plus 5 is 19. Never mind, I thought that would work, but it won't. So we're going to start out with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We're going to start on 14. We're going to take 4 jumps back to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because hopefully you know 10 plus 4 is 14. 10 plus 4 is 14. So 14 minus 4 is 10. It's a fact family. Now we did 4 jumps of the 9. We need to do the other half, which is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Circle where you land, and you land on 5. Okay. So if I add up all these jumps, I should have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, good job. Number 2 says 13 minus 9. So again, break it out, 10, 3. Hopefully you know 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. So we're going to do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, start at 13. I'm taking 9 jumps, but I'm breaking it down into 2 jumps so I can land on 10 because it's a friendly number. 1, 2, 3. So my pit stop minus 3. You do have to label those jumps. So this all would be minus 9 from here to there. Then I have 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. Circle where you land. So 13 minus 9 is 4. So see, even if you don't get your whole number line, you're totally fine. You can just make sure you do. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I took 9 jumps back to 4. Remember, we're subtracting, so we're moving that away. That's left on the number line. Let me find my eraser, and we'll do problem number 3. Okay, problem number 3 says 17 minus 8 equals blank, and they give you a blank number line. So we're going to fill in the number line. We're going to do 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Once you get to the biggest number, you can stop because that's where we're going to start. Hopefully you know it's 10 and 7. And then out of that is a 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So I'm going to jump back 7 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There I am making 10 minus 7. And now I need to jump 1 more, so it's really 8 minus 1. Circle where you land. Oops, right there. All right. So 17 minus 8 is 17 breaks down into 10 plus 7. So you can take 7 jumps back to get to 10. And then you did 7 already. 1 more. It's going to get you to -8. Number 4 is 15 minus 6. Oops. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Okay, start out at 15, hop back 6. But I'm going to jump back to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because I know 15 minus 10. I'm sorry, yeah, it would be 15 minus 10 is 5. 15 minus 5 is 10 because it's a fact family, right? But I'm not taking 5 jumps, I'm doing 6. So I'm going to go back minus 1 more, lands on 9. Okay. Also, you might already know that 6 plus 9 is 15, or 9 plus 6 is 15. So then 15 minus 6 must be 9, or 15 minus 9 must be 6. But we're pretending like we don't know. And what we're working on today is just the strategy of jumping back on the number line, jumping back this way. Okay, so now number 5 is 17 minus 9. Break out the 10 and the 7. 7, 8, 9, so it's 2. So I'm going to do start out on 17, jump back 7 to get to 10. Hit stop. Okay, I did that. Now I need to hop back 2 more. 1, 2. The answer is 17 minus 9 is 2. Now, if I add up 2 and 7, there's my 2 and 7 to get me to 9 jumps. Okay, now we're going on to page 347, which page 347 has all of your practice problems on it. So this is just where we're continuing to do what I've done. All right, so let's see. It says 15 minus 8 equals break it out. So what I'm doing is I'm sharing this 5 because that's really what you're doing. So I'm sharing the 5. I'm saying 15 is 10 plus 5. So if I need to pull a 5 out of this 8, 5 plus 3 equals 8. So I'm going to do my number line. And I'm starting on 15. Start with the biggest number. Subtraction always starts with the biggest number. I'm going to hop back 5 of those 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lands me there. Minus 5. Label that jump. Now I'm going to hop back 3 because 5 plus 3 is 8. And I need to take 8 jumps. 1, 2, 3. 15 minus 8 is 7. Good? Everybody good? I hope so. All right, get a little bit more light in here. Hopefully that'll help. Okay, number 2, 16 minus 8. And again, you might know your doubles fact. You might know 8 plus 8 is 16. So then 16 minus 8 is 8. But we're pretending like we don't know. So we're going to break it apart into 10 and 6. 6 plus 7, 8. 2 is 8. Okay, so then I'm going to do 8, 9, 10. Draw your number line, start on the biggest number, that's subtraction. Take 6 back to get to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Little checkpoint there. Did 6 jumps, minus 6. Label those jumps. 1, 2. I get to 8. So I did exactly what you guys would have done, but I showed it with my thinking and I showed it using the number line. Okay, we're doing so good. You're doing so good. We're just rolling right along. 12 minus 8 equals 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 plus 10 is 12. Pretend there's spaces in between these, okay? Should be more spaces, like not that much space between 12. So I'm going to jump back 2, 1, 2. Okay, now I'm going to jump back, label my jumps, jump back 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, label those jumps. So in all, I jumped 8. I just broke it down so it was easier because 0 is a very friendly number. So that's why we always jump to 10. As you get stronger and better, you'll take just bigger jumps. You'll know I just hop back 2, 1, 2, and make that whole big jump. But that'll come as you do it more. All right, number 4 is 13 minus 7. Okay, I'm gonna draw my number line. Okay, if you wanted to, just try it on this one, just jumping back 7. We start and we jump and we're moving this way because we're subtracting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, circle where you land. 13 minus 7 is 6. I could have broken that down and said 1, 2, 3, so minus 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 plus 4 is 7. But I want to show you lots of different strategies so you can find what works best for you. Last one, you did it. It is number 5, and it's 11 minus 7. One plus 6 is 7. 1 plus 10 is 11. All right, we're going to jump back 1 to get to 10. Okay, did that. Now we're going to jump back 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 11 minus 7 is 4. Label those jumps. Awesome job, my friends. All right, great work today. If you have any questions, please let me know, especially before the test tomorrow. Good job, boys and girls.